AI agents are already writing legal contracts, replacing customer service teams, generating code, designing graphics, writing ads, distributing content, managing schedules, reading x-rays faster than doctors, and yes, even performing surgery. This robot performed a successful surgery, guided entirely by AI. So, is your job next? The one you trained so hard for? Yes, it could be automated in just 5 years. According to the World Economic Forum, 40% of employers said they plan to reduce staff by 2030 due to AI automation. Big tech companies like Meta, Google, and Microsoft are already laying off thousands. Yet, their profits are rising. Why do you think that is?
Basically, they're going to cut 9,000 workers in a second wave of major layoffs. It seems like Microsoft is really looking to reduce headcount here.
And look, I think coding assistant as a tool is now pretty well established. It's the fastest growing software category this year. What they're saying is we are not only launching the product, we are actually changing the workflows within our organization. And companies like Microsoft and Google.
All right, well, the stock, it's down in today's pre-market, but it's still up 150% over the last 5 years, up 16% this year. Obviously, they're leading by example here.
Yeah.
In this video, we'll break down which jobs are disappearing, what the companies of the future will look like, and most importantly, how can you stay relevant and get paid in an AI-powered world. The goal, to give you a clear path forward and the motivation to act now. Your phone is practically part of you. Ever leave it behind and feel naked without it? Today, over 7 billion people, nearly the entire population of the Earth, own a mobile phone. But it wasn't always like that. The first commercial mobile phone came out in 1983. By 2003, 500 million individuals owned one. It took 20 years. Now, compare that to AI. ChatGPT, the first widely available AI chatbot, launched in late 2022. By mid-2025, just 2.5 years later, over 500 million people use it, or something like it, every single day. AI adoption is 8 times faster than that of the mobile phone. And guess what? It's just getting started. Imagine how fast AI will flood the phones already in 7 billion pockets, or at least the 5 billion connected to the internet. But it's not just adoption that's moving fast, it's the intelligence. In just 2 years, ChatGPT evolved from primary school level to top 10% of graduate students, passing the bar exam and medical boards with flying colors. So what happens in 5, 10, or 20 years? Is AI coming for your job? Absolutely. And if not the AI itself, then someone who knows how to use AI better than you will. Shopify's CEO recently told staff, "You'll need to prove why you can't get it done with AI before requesting more headcount." In other words, if a machine can do your job, don't expect to be hired. Over at Goldman Sachs, they just onboarded Devin, an AI software engineer that codes like a pro. Of course, minus the 6-figure salary and lunch breaks. Devin works 24/7. We've seen disruption before. The printing press, the steam engine, the internet. But this is different. For the first time in history, humans are competing with machines at the level of thought. In the past, new tech automated repetitive tasks. Think spreadsheets. They made accountant more efficient, not obsolete. But AI? It's replacing the accountant entirely. You feed data into an AI agent throughout the year. Snap photos of receipts, list your staff and salaries, and come tax time, you just press a button. No salary, no sick days, no payroll tax needed for the AI agent. Will AI reach singularity and start rewriting itself? Possibly take over the world? Experts like Ray Kurzweil say it's possible. But let's set that aside. Because even if AI stopped improving today, it's already good enough to replace your desk job. All it needs is the right data. And it never sleeps, never gets paid. Meta, Google, Microsoft, Shopify, and Goldman Sachs are already in. The real question is, who's next? We're living through the collapse of traditional jobs as we know it. Soon, office workers will look more like Iron Men, commanding fleets of AI agents like Jobless. Entire teams gone, replaced by 2 to 3 experts, managing dozens of automated systems. Smaller teams, smaller companies, greater output. This isn't sci-fi. Big corporations might be slow to fully integrate AI, but they will. The more likely story though, nimble startups beat them to it, using agents like Devon, an AI software engineer, and AutoGPT, which can plan and execute tasks autonomously to deliver the same services faster, cheaper, and with fewer people. The Goliaths fall. The Davids, powered by AI, take their place. Your value isn't measured by hours. It's measured by outcomes. Your agents work while you sleep. You approve decisions from your kitchen table. Geography becomes irrelevant. The only thing that matters? Results. We're already seeing this in tech. Remote work, asynchronous teams, flexible hours. These are early signals. As AI multiplies your productivity, you'll earn more while working less. But here's the catch. Those who can use AI will thrive. Those who can't will be left behind. Inequality will widen. Inside companies, across countries, across the globe. The only way to stay in the game is to level up your skills right now. The safest jobs aren't necessarily technical. They're the ones that rely on being deeply human. Think teacher, doctor, therapist, electrician, judge. In these roles, AI doesn't replace you. It enhances you. Take judges, for example. AI can analyze cases, scan precedents, and handle paperwork. But society isn't ready to let machines hand down verdicts. So the judge stays, and is just more productive. Now, compare that to clerical workers. Their jobs rely less on human interaction and more on repeatable tasks, which AI is great at. That makes them easier to replace.
Some might be surprised that the legal department was the first department to wholly adopt ChatGPT here at Moderna. We have a 100% adoption rate of ChatGPT and other generative AI large language models here in the company. One of the GPTs that we're most excited about is called Contract Companion. You can upload the contract into the GPT, ask it for a quick high-level summary, or even ask specific questions. And what it enables the legal function to do is to focus our time and attention on those matters that are truly driving an impact for patients to allow us to deliver on our mission here at Moderna.
And this shift won't be the same everywhere. In low-income countries with too few doctors, AI consultations may be welcomed. In wealthier places, people might still demand a human touch. The real question is this: does AI make your job easier or make you obsolete? That's the line between future-proof and replaceable. Here is a snapshot of the fastest growing and fastest disappearing jobs by 2030, according to the World Economic Forum. Note that it's not a finite list. So, where does that leave you? It's not all doom and gloom. Humans have always adapted. When the agricultural revolution came, we adapted. When factories replaced farms, we adapted. And with AI, we'll adapt again. But this time, we'll have to adapt faster. AI won't just replace jobs. It will create entirely new ones. Jobs we haven't even imagined yet. Just look at content creators. 50 years ago, that wasn't a career. Now, millions earn a living doing what they love. The first blogger was Justin Hall in 1994. The first YouTuber, Jawed Karim. His video, Meet Me at the Zoo, 2005. First viral creator, Judson Lepley, Evolution of Dance, 2006. First to earn from YouTube, Smosh Nigahiga, 2007. The lesson? Entire industries can emerge almost overnight. And AI might help you become someone new. More skilled, more knowledgeable, more valuable. With AI, the barriers to learning collapse. You could have your own personal AI tutor, guiding you in your language at your pace, across any field, but only if you start now. Get in early. Every major company of the past 30 years was born during a tech shift. Google, Facebook, Amazon. They didn't wait. They moved early. Early adopters win, sometimes big. I want that winner to be you. Audit where you work. Is your company embracing AI or pretending it will go away? If they're resisting the future, maybe you shouldn't resist leaving. Start experimenting. Everything has a learning curve. Get your hands dirty with AI tools. Try ChatGPT, try Devon, try Claude, try Midjourney. Doesn't matter where you start. Just start. Don't fall into the ostrich effect. Sticking your head in the sand won't stop the wave. Awareness without action is worthless. So pick an AI tool, sign up, test it out, learn how to use it before someone else uses it to replace you. Let me know in the comments, what's your take on all this? Are you already using AI tools? What's holding you back? I read every comment, and I'd love to hear what you think. If you've decided to take learning into your own hands and want to level up your AI skills, join us inside Online Builders. It's a community of creators and learners constantly upskilling while building online. Don't know where to start? You can ask me questions directly in the group. The link is in this video's description. And if you found this video helpful, you're going to love this next one, picked just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.